and members of the press and fellow Kenyans, I want to inform you that the Ministry of Health has confirmed the first coronavirus case in Kenya. The case was confirmed on the 12th, which was last night, as the first one to be reported in Kenya since the beginning of the outbreak in China. The case is a Kenya citizen who traveled back to Nairobi, returning from the United States of America via London, United Kingdom, on the 5th of March 2020. She was confirmed positive by the National Influenza Center Laboratory at the National Public Health Laboratories of the Ministry of Health. I would like to add here, however, the patient is stable. Her temperature has gone down to normal. She is behaving normally. She is eating, but she cannot be released until the tests continue, until she gets negative. But as far as her state is concerned, the lady is okay.
So as of now, we are looking at other countries. We shall be taking decisions based on the trend and profile of the disease and virus in those countries. So you'll be hearing from us in the near future about the decisions we are taking on an incremental basis. Because you've seen now, this disease now has affected 115 countries. So obviously, if you are to stop flights from 115 countries, you are locking down the entire country. So all we are doing is taking decisions on an incremental basis to make sure that we make decisions which will make sure that our people are safe. That is number one priority as we continue these discussions.
In the next 1 month, there will not be any activity in terms of the campaign, but preparing after what we have seen post-corona. So this is the preparation we are doing as a government. But definitely, we are going to be hit badly, and our key destination, which is Europe, which is United States, that is where we are going to suffer most. China is already closed, Italy is already closed, but now if there will be a lockdown in Paris, a lockdown in London, then we will be affected.